Me back to Brazil palette. Mm, 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 mm. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Blue Eye Blondie 32, but you can call me Jeanette. Before we get into this video and of this, of the title unboxing the new Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. Can you not tell? I was just like so excited to do this video and that, but even though I kind of was and wasn't excited in a way, and that because if y'all can tell, we're here. Anytime I have eye allergies going on, this shit always happens. But I love how this came out. I mean, I've been seeing everybody like all over YouTube, with the new Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BhCosmetic. I totally love the new colors they came out with, and plus some of the same colors they came out with, and some are like a little different from what I had with my other palette, which was Take Me to Brazil palette. Since you've seen the little intro of me using the old palettes of the Take Me to Brazil palette, but now I have Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I just love the color. It has 35 colors, and they also have some shimmer colors too, which you will see in the video, and how I created this look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, and plus before we get on to the video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any videos, and also click on the notification bell button so you'll be notified in your email whenever I upload a new video. I'm going to try to do 2 videos a week, and that I know I didn't get to do a video this past week, so I'm doing it for today. Hopefully if I get this up either today or Friday, and then maybe hopefully like next week, if you'd like to see me create any different kind of looks using this palette, then keep watching. Finally, it's here. Let's cut up this bad boy. Alright, let's open this up. It's like... Oh, I can't believe what they put in here. You see this? Makeup meets skincare, but BH naturally flawless foundation benefits. Ooh. Our gift to you, free shipping on $25. Use promo code Natural Beauty. Thanks for shopping at BH Cosmetics. Thank you, BH. I've never actually got one of these. I've never tried their foundations. But yeah, their sale is like almost running out. I think there's like 11 hours left or so. So yeah, I'll put their, website or code or whatever. Not code because I don't have a code with them. But yeah, I like to try their foundations. I like how it comes in these little cute little packaging. I like how they package their palettes. I'm excited because I've been waiting like almost a week since I got this, what, 2 days ago. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I love how they actually have like this box thing over it, because if y'all see my little intro, that didn't even come with, you know, a box cover. And I like how they're now coming out with these, you know, box covers. You know, kind of make it look nice. And they have like what the colors looks like on the back. You can see here. And yeah, it's like 35 colors pressed pigment palette. I don't remember how many eyeshadows there were when I had the old. I wish I would have kept it, but it's like you never know, they're gonna come out with a new one, you know. Okay, let's go ahead and take out, wow, okay,
I can't get it out of the damn box.
I mean, with, you know, Carly Babelle's, you know, palettes, they were like very, very easily to come out. I mean, yeah, what was it, like 2 years ago or something like that? I had, you know, of course this, the Take Me to Brazil palette, and plus I had the Party Girl After Hours. I have some old videos. I'll link them up here, and also in the description box below if you want to go check out those videos. They are so old. I didn't know very much about how to blend very well back then, but let me tell you, I got the hang of it. I'm trying to go ahead and get this palette out of the damn box. Let's see what it looks like. I always love how it has like a mirror and everything, and I wish I could pull it back, but I can't. But I like how they have like, this is kind of like more like a, as I can see it, like, you know, from an angle. Oh my gosh, they got some really, they got a gold color, a red, kind of like a cranberry right there, like a shimmer. And they got some pink shimmers up here, like, you know, if you want to put on the eye, you know, on the center of the eyelid. And of course, you know, with the green. And they used to have, I remember when I had the Take Me to Brazil palette, they have one yellow shimmer. But I noticed with this one, it doesn't have a yellow shimmer. But you can always probably, like, I don't know, go with something like this over here, which is more like a, kind of has like a yellow tone to it. And they have this really like purple, like with a little bit of pink undertone to it. And of course they have like a shimmer blue, another dark shimmer blue, and this really shimmer blue, which I know they had also in the Take Me to Brazil palette, and also with this purple, light purple, lavender shimmer as well. And the greens, I like how they have like all these right down here, has all bunch of shimmers. This is kind of like, you know, olive color, which I love. And of course the orange right here, which is so pretty. And that, and then they have like this pink one. They finally came with more pinks than they did with the other Take Me to Brazil palette. With the other pink, it was more likely a bright pink. If you have that palette and you know what I'm talking about, it was like more like bam pink, like bright pink. Oh, I forgot that they have this film over this. This is good because I do not want to take this film off because the mirror will get dirty. I can still see myself in the mirror. So I want to swatch these, but I know how pigment they are. I know how BhCosmetic has very you know, very pigmented and very blendable colors, and you know, 3 or 4 years ago, I knew nothing about blending. So, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes real quick, and I'll be back. Prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I set it with some Airspun loose, you know, powder. You know, set my brow bone first. And we use this little brush here that I normally use just for like highlighting.
Oh my god, there's so many colors I want to play with.
So I'm going to set that here. Maybe it's good, like, I don't know, it's going to take a while for the... Maybe let's try the other side. I think this one's, is a matte, and the other one's probably a shimmer. I don't know. Maybe that's why they added, you know, the other pan, like right here. You know, like for one, like for matte. I'm probably going to grab this brush here, dip it into the yellow. I have to like look forward so I can see what I'm doing. Let's use windshield wiper motions. Now, 3 or 4 years ago, I only used like the Jumbo eye pencil in milk. Maybe go with this yellow. That's underneath the green. See if that's pigmented. Yeah, this one come up. I think that top yellow, is a little bit lighter. So, okay. Next color I'm gonna go is with orange. I'm just gonna put that like in the crease. Okay, this one's very, very bright. After I use this color, I'll go with that red color, or maybe the pink. We'll see, I guess. I don't know. Okay, it's looking good, ain't it? Alright, I think I'm gonna try the red on my little crease brush by e.l.f. And I'm gonna just try to like put it in the crease. Oh wow, look at that. That is blending so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this pink color here. The color where the red is. Okay, next I'm going to take is this purple here, kind of like in the same spot. Kind of like giving that, you know, like gradient effect. Okay, the last color I'm going to use is this blue color right here. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to try my e.l.f. primer mist because color is not going on there. It's just not working. See, now it's working. Okay, I'm going to take that that wet wall and just kind of like blend it back and forth so it's kind of like gradient in a way. Okay, there we go. See here, I'm gonna add this NYX retractable eyeliner on my bottom waterline. Okay, now I'm going to take probably that purple that I did like here. Just gonna put that on my water. Bottom line. Okay, now I'm gonna take that blue. Then I'm going to take that same brush I used for highlight on my eyebrow bone. Go ahead and just adjust in my face, sort of. And now I'm going to put on these Ardell Wispies. They look like this. Okay, so I'm going to apply these on.